Kids, today we're going to be reading Chicken in Mittens. Zoe stepped out of the barn. So did her best pig, Sam. Fresh snow covered the farm. "We can be explorers," she said. "It's cold," said Sam. "Arctic explorers," said Zoe. So it looks like Zoe's the chicken and that's Sam. "Moo, where are your mittens?" said Clara. Zoe and Sam wore their mittens. "Not what I meant," said Clara. Clara's the cow. "Where are you going?" said Sam. "To the North Pole," said Zoe. "I think it's this way." "There is a fence," said Sam, "and a big hill, and there might be a Yeti." "Sounds like fun," said Zoe. "Let's go." Sam caught up to Zoe at the fence. "Now what?" said Sam. "We can't go through it." "You're right," said Zoe. She wiggled under. Sam wiggled under too. He made it through, but his mitten got caught. Sam didn't notice. He rushed up to catch up. "That's a big hill," said Sam. "We should have a small rest." But Zoe was already climbing, so Sam climbed up behind her. "It's a long way down," said Sam. "I wish we had a sled." "We don't have a sled," said Zoe, "but we do have a pig." "I'm always the sled," said Sam. "I'm better at steering," said Zoe. Yahoo! "Now I'm colder," said Sam. "Where's the North Pole?" Stuck chicken. "Let's ask the Yeti," said Zoe. "A real Yeti?" said Sam. "Do they eat pigs?" "Probably not," said Zoe. "Excuse me, Mr. Yeti," called Zoe. "Where's the North Pole?" The Yeti did not answer. Zoe tapped the Yeti's toe. Whoosh! The snow tip slipped off. "It's the Scarecrow," said Sam. "He's on the North Pole," said Zoe. Wait. They did their happy dance. "We made it," said Zoe. We can go home," said Sam. He blinked. "How do we get home?" "We follow your string," said Zoe. "Leaving it was a good idea, Sam." I'm smart like that," said Sam. "Let's go." The friends followed Sam's string over the hill and back to the fence. "We're home," said Sam. "Cheers," said Zoe. "You're a great Arctic explorer." "You too," said Sam. "We're a perfect team." And look, they're having hot cocoa. And that is Chicken in Mittens.